Jeez, why did I start with this? Hi guys, I am decluttering my wardrobe. It is an absolute disaster. I haven't actually cleared it out maybe about, I want to say 6 to 10 months, and I've been kind of sprawled on the bed, so I shall just show you everything that I've got. Okay, so pretty much all my clothes are on the bed. Some I am already kind of organising, and yeah, believe it or not, this is kind of chaotic organised. And I've literally got maybe about an hour to do the rest, because I then need to go and pick up the kids, and I don't really want to do this when the kids are back, so wish me luck. For those that have already subscribed, thank you so much for all your support, and for anybody that's new, welcome to the channel, and I hope you stick around. Out of curiosity, where is everybody from? Let me know in the comments below. Good old Astonished. Okay, so halfway there, this is what I've got so far. I really think I like scarves. I love this one. This is from Accessorize about 15 years ago. These are some of my late mum's scarves, which I cannot get rid of. Alrighty, so everything's in a pile. I'm going to pop my jeans on this handy dandy hanger. These jeans, these are from M&S. Oh. Time for tops. I have divided the scarves into 2 piles, or 2 hangers. This is sportswear. Oh dear lord, I became the sock and scarf. There. That's jumpers, scarves, that type of thing. Tops, jammies, some undies. The rest of the undies. Jumpers now. There we go. Some of my mum's scarves into a bag. Super happy with how this has turned out. Clean, organised, although it might not look organised to some people, but trust me, it is. Just need to tackle that, but that's for a different video because it's now bedtime for the kids and I still need to deal with that. Again, thank you so much for people who have tuned in. I hope you got some motivation to do some of your own decluttering and organising wherever it is in your house or anywhere for that matter. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and drop me a comment and tell me how you got on with your cleaning. Bye!